Drawing to flowchart ER diagram. Which application is best for Windows? Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video we discuss about the best application for drawings all this type of diagrams is known as Wondershare Edromax. This application is best for all types of diagrams. Basically, Wondershare Edromax is the all-in-one diagrammatic tool. So first, see how to download this application in our Windows. So let's start it. When you open this link, you can see here EdrawMax free download all-in-one diagramming tool. So basically these applications are available in different operating system. This available in Windows, EdrawMax for Windows. It's also available in Mac operating system, and these applications are also available for Linux operating system. And the best features is you can also use EdrawMax as online by any browser. So in this video we download this application for Windows. So we simply click on here, download this button. When you clicking this button, it start downloading automatically, and it takes some time according your net speed. So just wait for few minutes.
Five minutes later.
And you can see here this application are download successfully. You simply click on show in folder, and you can see here EdrawMax. So simply right click on it and click on open. Select the language, set as default English. Then this is the license agreement. So this is a license. You simply click I accept the agreement and click next. This is the set as default and click next. Click next and click on install. And here our application are installing. You can see here this application are installed successfully. You simply click on finish button. Now we see how to use this application for creating diagrams. So let's see. So this is the interface of our application. So here you can see left hand side there are number of symbols are available. You simply drag and drop, then double click on it and right here start. In this way you also create the ER diagrams, flowcharts, basically all type of diagrams in Wondershare EdrawMax application. I hope so this video is helpful for you. So please make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos, and let's see you in next video. Till then, stay safe, keep learning.